Here we have an example plant gang where mutations are a great thing, and I'm standing in front of a plant you might know, maybe you don't know, Ilex X. Whoa, Nellie. Now this was a branch sport that was found on the holly Nellie R. Stevens, which is one of the most popular landscape hollies. It's a mutation with this gold foliage. Ilex X, whoa, Nellie. This beautiful gold foliage can light up the garden. Also, when it's near a male pollinator, it produces a very nice crop of berries. It wouldn't necessarily have to have a pollinator to produce berries in this case, but when it is near a male pollinator, it's going to have a nice crop of berries on it. So you get gold foliage, red berries, a beautiful plant, probably a little bit smaller potentially than the cultivar Nellie R. Stevens, but not just an oddity, something that's beautiful that you can add to the landscape. So Ilex X, whoa, Nellie, hardy from zone 6 through 9. In about 10 years, this plant will probably be 12 foot tall and 8 foot wide, but then will probably mature in excess of 25 foot high, maybe spreading 12 to 20 foot wide. You know, this is a plant that hasn't been on the market for 50 years, and so we're still learning a little bit about it. Here in the State Botanical Garden, we've got it surrounded by purple flowering asters. I would say one of the best sights in our garden is the gold foliage of this plant paired with fall blooming asters, and so we like that quite a bit. Like all ilex, the leaves are alternately arranged on the stem. The leaves have a little bit of a polymorphic characteristic to it. Two spines, one spine, or potentially even a completely entire with no spined leaves. Red berries in the fall. Here in the beginning of August, they're starting to be produced. The berries are at least. About the size of a big English pea that will turn bright red as this plant matures. Here's a landscape tip. Gold leaf version of the popular Nellie R. Stevens holly.